JJ Pyle, Innovation Specialist with BASF, come to you with your Innovation Spotlight. In the next coming weeks, sprayers like the one behind me are going to be hitting the fields hot and heavy. Today, we are going to highlight the correct mixing order for your chemical programs on your farm this season. Here at BASF, safety is very important to us. Make sure when mixing chemicals that you have the following safety equipment: goggles, chemical resistance gloves, and a long sleeve shirt. Once your safety equipment is on, we're going to be following the easy steps located on page 8 of your 2016 quick reference guide. The first step that we're going to be taking is starting to pump the water into the sprayer. Begin agitation once you get enough water in the tank. The first step that we're going to be taking is to put our AMS, our ammonium sulfate, in. Ammonium sulfate can either come in dry product, like in this bag, or in liquid product. Either product go into the tank first. Now that we got our water running and our AMS in the tank, we're going to go to our wettable powders and dry flowables. Examples of these products would be Distinct and Atrazine. So Atrazine 90DF is dry flowable. Step 3 is going to be adding your water dispersible granulars. Examples of these products are Optil, Status, and Zidua. Now that all your dry components are in the tank, we're going to move on to add the water dispersible liquids. These are the SC formulations, such as Preaxor and Armazon. Other notable products are Headline Amp, Sharpen, Prowl H2O. This is also the point where you want to add your liquid atrazine if you're using a liquid version of that. Step 5, we're going to add our water-soluble products. These are your true liquids, such as Extreme, Pursuit, Clarity, and your glyphosate. Step 6, we're going to be adding our most viable concentrates, our EC formulations. EC formulations such as Verdict and Outlook are two prime examples. FastTac, our insecticide, as well as any of your volunteer corn killers go in the tank at this time. Our last and final step is to add any adjuvants into the mix. These would be your crop oils, your non-ionic surfactants, or your methylated seed oil. Now, all the steps that we've been through, we've been mixing with just straight water. We want it known that if you're mixing anything with 32% or 28% UAN, there's a few different steps to take. First, you still fill up your tank with your UAN source. Then you add your nitrogen stabilizer product, like Limus for UAN, and then you go into the rest of the products in a pre-slurry with water. Hopefully this video has provided you with some good information on how to properly mix your chemicals for this coming season. As always, please read and follow all labeled instructions. If you have any questions about mixing order or products listed in this video, please contact your local retailer or your local BASF representative. As always, hope you have a safe and efficient growing season.